In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the search bar in Outlook at top of emails. This walkthrough is for Outlook Classic and will help you place the search tools where you can get to them quickly, right along the top of your mail view. Start by opening Outlook Classic, then go to the File tab in the very top left corner of the Outlook window. That takes you into the Backstage view, which is where the app's global settings live. On the left side of this view, click Options to open the Outlook Options window. This is the central place for customizing how Outlook looks and behaves. In the Outlook Options window, select Customize ribbon from the list on the left. This area controls which tabs and commands appear on your ribbon, including the search tools. Think of it as the map of what you see along the top of Outlook tabs, groups, and the commands inside them. Now let's locate the search command. In the middle left, you'll see a drop-down labeled Choose Commands From. Open that menu and select Tools tabs. If your version doesn't show that, choose All tabs instead. The goal is to bring up the full list of built-in tab commands. Scroll through the list until you find the entry name Search, then click it once to highlight it. You're just selecting the command so it's ready to be added to your ribbon. On the right side, under Customize the Classic ribbon, make sure Main tabs is selected so you're editing the primary tabs you use every day. In that list, click to highlight the tab where you want search to live. Most people prefer the Home tab, but if you've created a custom group, you can place it there. With your target tab highlighted, click the Add button with the double arrows. This moves the search item from the left list into the right panel, which means it becomes part of your ribbon layout. If the Add button is grayed out, double-check that you've highlighted both the search command on the left and a specific tab or group on the right. When you're happy with the placement, click OK at the bottom of the Outlook Options window to save your changes and close the dialog. Outlook will refresh your ribbon, and you should now see the search bar at or above your email list, right at the top of the Outlook window. From here, it's easy to locate messages, people, and keywords without hunting through menus. That's all there is to it. Your search bar is now exactly where you need it.